Welcome to Faisal Informative Blogs. On this channel, I will upload a new informative video daily. So, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Today's video is about the beautiful city of Muree. This video also includes some of my personal pictures. So, let's explore Muree together. Muree, General Post Office, view of the valley and Mall Road, Colonial Era Mall in central Muree, Patriotas Gondola Lift. Nicknames: the Depot British Raj, the White Sit. Construction of the town was started in 1851 on the hill of Muree as a sanatorium for British troops. The permanent town of Muree was constructed in 1853 and the church was consecrated shortly thereafter. One main road was established, commonly referred to even in modern times, as the Mall Road. Muree was the summer headquarters of the colonial Punjab government until 1876 when it was moved to Shimla. Several prominent Britons were born here including Bruce Bairn's father, Francis Younghusband, Reginald Dyer V, and Joanna Kelly. During the colonial era, access to commercial establishments was restricted for non-Europeans. Such establishments included Lawrence College, Muree. Since the independence of Pakistan in 1947, Muree has retained its position as a popular hill station, noted for its pleasant summer weather. Many tourists visit the town from the Islamabad-Rawalpindi area. The town also serves as a transit point for tourists visiting Azad Kashmir and Abbottabad. The town is noted for its Tudor-Bethan and Neo-Gothic architecture. The government of Pakistan owns a summer retreat in Muree, where foreign dignitaries including heads of state often visit. Most accessible hill station in the Punjab, being distant from Rawalpindi only a 5 hours journey by Tondadak. Magnificent views are to be obtained in the spring and autumn of the snow-crowned mountains of Kashmir, and gorgeous sunset and cloud effects seen daily during the rains July-August. Part of the station, especially the Kashmir end, are also well wooded and pretty. In 1901, the permanent population of the town was 1,844. If summer visitors had been included, this could have been as high as 10,000. Muree features a monsoon-influenced subtropical highland climate (CWB) under the Köppen climate classification. It is situated in the outer Himalayas, retaining high altitude. This type of area has cold, snowy winters, relatively cool summers with drastically escalated rain, in relation to lower altitudes, and frequent fog. Precipitation is received year-round, with two maxima, the first one during winter and the second one at summer, July-August. Total mean precipitation annually is 1,904 mm 75.0 in. Muree receives around 1,590 mm 63 in of snow per year according to a 13-year data. Heavy snow. Administrative purposes, the military areas of Muree are divided into two separate cantonments, Muree Gully Cantonment and Muree Hills Cantonment. Muree houses the headquarters of the 12th Infantry Division of the Pakistan Army, several educational and training institutions, and a combined military hospital established to serve Muree and adjoining garrisons. The Pakistan Air Force also maintains a base at Lower Toba, near Patriota, with its own military boarding school for boys, PAF Public School Lower Toba. During the British Raj, in the hot season, Muree was the headquarters of the Lieutenant General of the Northern Command. The Commissioner of the Rawalpindi Division and the Deputy Commissioner of Rawalpindi also resided here during part of the season, for which period an Assistant Commissioner was placed in charge of the subdivision consisting of Muree Tehsil. The site was selected in 1850 almost immediately after the annexation of the province, and building operations commenced at once. In 1851 temporary accommodation was provided for a detachment of troops, and in 1853 permanent barracks were erected. The regular garrison generally consisted of 2 mountain batteries and 1 battalion of infantry.